The WashPak spot-free rinse system by Serv-A-Pure consists of a holding tank with replaceable filter media. When properly maintained, this will prevent water spots. Water spots occur when droplets of water evaporate, leaving behind mineral deposits such as calcium and magnesium. When the total dissolved solids, or TDS, of the water on the outlet of the WashPak tank stays above 20 ppm, you will start to notice water spots. At this point, you will need to replace the resin media inside the tank to get back to a spot-free rinse again. The following are the steps to remove the spent resin media in your WashPak. First, start by disconnecting the inlet and outlet water lines. Next, unscrew the head from the tank and ensure the drop pipe stays in the tank. Gently set the head aside. Use a garden hose and slowly spray water down the center drop pipe until you can start to lift it out. While slowly removing the pipe, spray off any resin that sticks to it so that all resin media stays inside the tank. Be careful to not get any resin media on the floor, as it will cause the floor to become very slippery. Next, take the drop pipe supplied in the resin change kit that has no distributor basket on the bottom and insert it into the bottom of the head and slide into the tank. Screw the head back onto the tank until it is tight. Install the supplied clear short hose onto the outlet connection of the head. Attach the resin disposal bag to the end of the hose. Securely fasten the bag onto the hose. You may want to put the bag into a container for more support and to help keep any water mess to a minimum. Once the disposal bag is secured, hook the water inlet back up to the downflow inlet connection on the head assembly. Slowly turn the water back on. Resin should start to flow into the disposal bag. Once the water in the hose starts to run clear, turn off the water flow. Nearly all resin media should now be contained in the disposal bag. Remove the resin disposal bag from the end of the hose and safely move to the side to ensure no resin spills out. Manually turn the tank over into the resin disposal bag to remove any last amounts of spent media and all water from the tank. Before we move on to the refill process, you should safely dispose of the spent resin per all local disposal codes. Once the tank is completely empty of media and water, reinsert the drop pipe with the bottom distributor back into the empty tank. Next, install the supplied cap onto the top of the drop pipe. This is to prevent resin from getting into the center pipe. Place the supplied funnel onto the top of the tank. Using a scoop or manually pouring, start to fill the tank with new resin media. Do not exceed the top of the funnel. This will limit any mess. Gently shake the tank or tap the side of the tank with a mallet to get the resin to drop evenly into the tank. As the tank starts to fill up, continue to tap the side of the tank with the mallet to ensure the resin is packed into the tank. Once you can no longer fit any resin into the tank, or you have poured all the supplied resin into the tank, you are done filling. You only need to leave enough room to reinstall the head with basket. Be sure to inspect the top rim of the tank for any loose resin beads. If any resin beads remain, remove them from the top lip, as this could cause leaks when you install the head onto the tank. Inspect the sealing O-ring on the bottom of the head. Apply O-ring lubricant, which will help seal any leaks and assist in easier removal next time you need to change the resin. Screw the head back onto the tank and ensure the drop pipe seats into the center hole. Finally, reconnect both the inlet and outlet water connections. Your WashPak tank is now ready to be used again. Once water pressure is applied to the tank, check for any leaks and fix as necessary. Your WashPak spot-free rinse system by Serv-A-Pure will be as good as new now that the refill process is complete. Be sure to contact us at Serv-A-Pure when you need more resin media or would like to upgrade to any optional features the WashPak has to offer.